Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Happy Homesteader, and I help folks just like you build a simple, sustainable life right from their backyard. So you're thinking about buying live chicks? First off, yay! Starting a flock is one of the most exciting steps toward backyard or homestead living. But before you go home with a box full of fluff, let's talk about the top 5 things you need to ask and look for when buying chicks. Trust me, asking the right questions now can save you a lot of heartache later. Number 1. Ask if the chicks are vaccinated, specifically for Marek's disease. It's a common and deadly illness in young birds. Most hatcheries will vaccinate, but some feed stores don't. If they're not vaccinated, you'll want to know so you can take extra precautions. Number 2. How old are the chicks? You want to know this because newly hatched chicks need extra warmth, like 95 degrees Fahrenheit in the brooder. If they're over a week old, you can drop that temp a bit. Age also affects feeding, handling, and even what type of bedding is safe. Number 3. Are the chicks sexed or straight run? This one is huge. If you're not allowed to keep roosters where you live, or just don't want the crowing, you'll want sexed pullets, which are about 90% guaranteed to be female. Straight run means it's a grab bag. You could get all hens, all roosters, or a mix. Number 4. What breed are they? This matters more than people think. Some breeds are great layers. Others are better for meat. Some are super friendly, while others can be a bit wild. Ask about temperament, egg production, and even cold or heat tolerance, depending on your climate. And finally, number 5. Do the chicks look healthy? Even if the seller says they're fine, look for signs of illness. Bright eyes. Clean bottoms. Active, curious behavior. No labored breathing or crusty eyes. If they're huddled in a corner, lethargic, or have pasty butt, yes, that's a real thing. It's best to wait or choose another batch. And there you have it. 5 simple but super important things to ask and look for before you bring home baby chicks. Ask about vaccines. Know their age. Find out if they're sexed or straight run. Choose the right breed. And always check for health. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. We've got tons of videos coming on how to raise healthy backyard chickens, build coops, and more. Drop a comment below if you've got a favorite breed or chick buying story. I'd love to hear it. Until next time, happy chickening, friends!